Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a CapCut tutorial on how you can easily create a 3-in-1 layer video by using the CapCut mobile. So first, you can just open your CapCut and start a new project. So click on the new project button and select 3 videos. For example, here I choose 3 videos from the CapCut library. So after that, you can click on collage, and here you just need to change the format and ratio because I want to create a 3-in-1 layer, so I'm going to use this format, but for the ratio I'm going to change it into 9:16. So this is kind of the preview, and let's click on continue at the top. And don't forget to adjust the length of the video so it has the same duration. So for example, I'm going to just make the video okay, I'm going to split the video, and don't forget to adjust all of the video durations to be the same. So let's click on the overlay one and split it to be the same with the main video. So I've already split all of the videos to have the same duration, and that's it. But you can always edit it more. You can add text if you want. You can also add effects or filter, and this will be the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.